What's up everyone? Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Geline. I'm a serial entrepreneur who sells on eBay and Amazon, and I also own a social media marketing, branding, and video production company. We're currently based here in Tampa, Florida. If you're interested to check us out, I'll be leaving links down in the description box. Also, if you're interested to learn about multiple income streams, how you can work from home or using your gadgets, your Wi-Fi, online basically, and also personality development or personal development, personal branding, I will go ahead and invite you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a video and you won't miss it. Multiple income streams. Multiple income streams is the best way to go in this new economy. I mean, why not, guys? We have a plethora of income stream opportunities, and it all depends on your interests and your skills. And having like a job or having like one income stream doesn't provide enough security anymore in this day and age. That's why I'm such an advocate of multiple income streams. And if you still have not figured it out, I am so passionate about YouTube, and I always tell people to make YouTube videos because number one, it's fun, and number two, there's a whole lot of opportunities that could open up for you if you are willing to do it and if you are open to it, because frankly that's what happened to me. And if you want to know a little bit of the story about that, I will link it over maybe here or here, I don't know, just in the link cards, just, you know, it will pop up somewhere. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about 4 income streams that you could possibly get once you are here on YouTube and making videos. So YouTube has advertisers, and these advertisers put their ads on videos that are on YouTube. In respect to the video content creator who made the YouTube video that has an ad, YouTube will actually pay the video content creator. It takes effort and time and just energy to make YouTube videos. Like, I have to dress up all the time, you know, to be in front of a camera and talk. So in that alone, it takes me about like an hour to do that. Of course, you have to set up your equipment, you have to edit, or you have to film, you have to edit, and then you have to do the, you know, posting. It's just a whole lot of process actually, especially if you're doing YouTube seriously. Yeah, it makes sense that YouTube should really pay the person who's making the YouTube video. Like I said, the advertisers pay YouTube. That money is split into 60-40. 40% goes to YouTube because, well, they are the ones who are providing the platform for us to upload our videos. Then 60% goes to the content creator. The price actually varies. There's a thing that's called CPM. Varies all the time. It's different. Videos have different CPMs. It depends on what country you are and what demographic most of your viewers are from. So it really depends. But generally here in the US, if you are here in the US and most of your demographics or your viewers are from the US, you would generally get $2 per 1,000 video views. For example, a video viewers has 100,000 views. So you divided 100,000 into 1,000 views, right? So you will get 100. So 100, you multiply that to $2 for your 100,000 views that you get on a particular video. You will earn $200. It can be higher, it can be lower. It really depends on the type of videos that you are usually making. So for example, if you're usually making beauty videos, you know, they have a different CPM for that. If you're making like tech videos, it's a whole different CPM for that too. Usually the tech videos or the tech channels receive a higher CPM, so their CPMs could be as high as like $10 per 1,000 views. Affiliate marketing is basically you're marketing somebody's products or somebody's services. So the most popular that, at least here in the US, is the Amazon Associates. What you will do is you will sign up, and if you get approved, then you will be creating trackable links, and then these trackable links you will put them on your video description, okay? And then if somebody clicks on that trackable link of yours, and then they go to, of course, Amazon, and then they kind of like look around, and then once they purchase something, it doesn't have to be the product that you mentioned on Amazon. Within 24 hours since that person clicked it, you will receive a commission. For example, I'm making this video and I'm talking about making YouTube videos, right? I might just mention in the video, I just got this new camera. If you're interested to look at it, I will put the links below. So easy to do. Like, once you are set up, you can just put links. I'm actually thinking about doing this as well. So for some reason, I haven't signed up yet for Amazon Associates, but it's really on my mind that I will be doing it. And I think once I will be signing up, I will be taking you along with me. I will have everything on the video. So just in case you are also interested in being an Amazon affiliate and you are interested to know what the process would look like. I actually have my own little story about this. I wasn't really actively selling my freelance services, but I was able to make some sales, or I was able to get some clients by making YouTube videos. And if you're interested to know the story behind that, I will link it up here or up here. For your products, you can sell, if you have your own merch, your brand's merchandise, or if you have, or if you sell different products, or physical products, or if you probably want to sell digital products as well, so like ebooks, if you have your own online course, and audiobooks. And the last way that you can make money off of making YouTube videos is having brand deals or sponsorships. So it doesn't matter if it's a small company, a medium-sized, or like a big company. They actually recognize right now that there is power in the social media influencers. So that's why they are very willing to collaborate and partner and then pay these social media influencers to talk about their products or their services. When I was a beauty blogger, I was able to have brand deals. So some companies would send me their products for free, and then I would also receive a compensation for making a video if I like their product. Okay, if that's a big if I like the product, then of course I will make a video about it and then they will pay me. But if I happen to not like the product, I will not make a video about it, and of course I will not get paid. But it's fine, because to me, I still got free products. So around a year or two ago, when I already had this channel and I was already talking about social media, I received, well, I've been receiving a couple of emails, but this particular company, they were willing to pay me $300 just to make one YouTube video. Okay, $300. And mind you, I was still in the Philippines, so $300 would be like around 16,000 pesos. So that's a huge money already, and it's just for one video. But the thing is, I didn't really believe in what they were doing. Their company has something to do with the platform Instagram. But the thing is, what they're doing is not something that I believe in. It's not something that I preach. I had to turn down the deal. Just didn't feel comfortable if I'm gonna partner with them. Okay, so what will happen is you make all these videos, right? And then certain companies would land on your videos or a video of yours, and then they would, if they are interested to work with you, they will contact you through your email. That's why it is very important when you are making YouTube videos, and if you are trying to make money out of it, it's important to have your email or your social media links in your description box, the updated ones. They would come to you and then they would tell you what they want to happen and blah blah blah. So basically everything's going to be on the email, and it all depends on you if you want to do it or not. Or you can do it the other way around. You will be hunting down companies that you want to work with, and then you try to pitch your idea of a collaboration. And of course, with that too, you have to prepare a media kit. So your media kit that has all of your information, like your statistics, your metrics, engagement and things like that, and of course your rate, so how much you're going to charge them if the collaboration pushes through. I may have to say though that among the four of them, number one, which is the YouTube ads, is my least favorite way to make money because it takes so much time and so much energy and effort and views, because it's all about the view. If you want to connect with me on social media, I will have all my links down in the description box. Or if you want to work with me, okay, you know what I'm doing. So if you want to work with me, I will also put my link, I'll also put my email on the description box below. I appreciate you for being here and for watching this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.